Hello friends, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to share with you the easiest way to make a breakfast. Hope you like this video. So what I'm using right here is an electric griddle. You could find this in Amazon. I got this last Christmas. I like it and make things easy, especially if you're making breakfast. I simply cook the bacon first, so then I could get some oil from it to cook the rest of the potatoes and eggs. I'll start with the potato or the hash browns. I got this from Walmart, cheapest place you could buy it. And I just cooked that bacon on the other side to release more oil from it. And simply flip the hash brown on the other side so to cook both ways. I really like our hash brown a little bit crispy. So I'm going to cook this until it's brown. And now I'm going to remove that bacon and just put it on top of the paper plate to absorb more oil from it. And then I just cooked that hash brown on the side, and now we're going to cook the toast and the egg. So I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit so it will not cook the egg very fast. Simply put the bread. If you don't want bread, we like bread. This is sourdough. Just kind of toast it a little bit. While on that side, hash brown is on the other side. Now I'm going to cook the egg just like this. This also makes things easy to cook egg. If you don't have griddle, electric griddle, and if you have Blackstone, lucky you. Go get yourself an electric griddle. This is perfect for a small or tight place, tight apartment. You should have a griddle. Make things easy to cook and less mess, less chaotic, easy to clean. I was able to make breakfast for the three of us in less than 30 minutes. And this makes things easy. I hope you like this video. If you have electric griddle, let me know what kind of recipe have you made using your electric griddle. I wanted a Blackstone, but this one works for me for now. I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone for keep supporting our channel. We'll see you next time. Watch for more videos. We're going to be posting more videos, I promise. Again, thank you everyone for watching. Hope you like this video. Ciao.